Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2013 KTM RC8R. This 1200cc motorcycle has just under 8,000 miles on it and is in mint condition with a ton of highlights. So let's take a walk around them, catch them all, and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This track-ready bike, we've got a small tinted windscreen, carbon fiber front fender. Tires are in excellent shape. Adjustable levers. Frame sliders. A full Acra exhaust system. Carbon fiber rear fender with a ton of carbon fiber highlights. Tank pads, knee grips, passenger pegs. As you can see, the rear tire is in great shape, looks almost new. More carbon fiber. Custom seat. Again, frame slider. Adjustable levers. I mean, this thing is just mint. Alright, show you those miles now. $7,912 is what's on it. This KTM will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.